Discovering Canada, the True North Vocabulary Adventure. Hello, language explorers. Welcome to another fun and fascinating episode in our series, Regional and Cultural Variations. Today, we're venturing into the land of the maple leaf, Canada. We're going to discuss an idiomatic expression that's deeply rooted in Canadian culture. Get ready to find out what it means to be out for a rip. Alright, so you've heard the phrase, out for a rip, and you're wondering what it could possibly mean. In Canadian English, the phrase, out for a rip, refers to going out for a drive, ride, or adventure. It's a very casual and informal expression often used among friends or family. The phrase became popular due to a humorous music video that was widely shared on the internet. Since then, it has been used to express the idea of going on an enjoyable journey or adventure, whether it's a drive in the countryside, a snowmobile ride in the winter, or even a trip to the local store. So, how can we use out for a rip in our daily conversations? Let's explore some examples. 1. Hey buddy, I just got a new snowmobile. Want to go out for a rip this weekend? 2. I've been cooped up in the house all day. I think I'll go out for a rip to get some fresh air. Remember, this phrase is quite informal. You're more likely to use it in casual conversations with friends or family than in a formal or professional setting. There are also other related expressions and vocabulary that you may find interesting. For example, a rip can also mean a fun or wild time in Canadian slang. Ripping around might refer to driving or moving quickly. 1. We had quite a rip at the party last night. 2. I saw your brother ripping around town in his new car. Well, we've come to the end of our Canadian language adventure today. Now you know what it means to be out for a rip in Canadian English, and hopefully, you can incorporate this expression into your own conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about discovering the cultural nuances and expressions that make it unique. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, language learning is not just about rules. It's about connection, culture, and fun. Until next time, happy learning, and maybe, go out for a rip with your English practice.